Hey guys, we are heading out to the local car show. So it's 8 a.m. The neighbors are gonna love us. So let's fire these up and let's go. All right, here we go. Waking up the neighbors. Good morning, everyone. So the place we're going to, here it comes, is a place called JAXWAX. It's just a local car detail shop. So let's get it. Insanely loud to drive this thing. You've got the exhaust that resonates all around, and then the blow-off valve, since I put that on it, since we're in a vacuum, it just purges all the time. It's so loud, the blow-off valve. So I don't know if you can hear that, but man, you can hardly talk to yourself in here. The one thing about this car is it is carbureted, but this carburetor that's on here, I mean, the throttle response is just incredible, and you wouldn't even know. It never bogs, it never hesitates or anything. I mean, you hit the gas and it goes. It runs really well. So I've been thinking about converting it to fuel injection, but we'll see. All right, so we made it, and we're here now. Let's go check out some cars. So we made it, and they asked us to put the Nova right in front. There it is. It's for the JAXWAX. Here we have our 1966 Corvair, a couple minis, Mini Cooper. There's Letty the Golf, and the white one. 350Z. Big ass turbo. There's the Nova in front of JAXWAX. What is this? A Genesis? I gotta say, man, the more shows we go to, the more we see these Mopars. They're everywhere. Mopar here, Mopar there. Hellcat, SRT, 392. The problem with oh, love these new Vets, man. White with red. Looks so good. I think the coolest thing at this show is this bike. Man, that thing's nice.
I just put a fake supercharger on my Blue Angel.
Every day. I just like the guy. They keep falling, so I just do some talking to the sun. And I just do it right around Saturday.
And here we got the rear engine Corvette and the rotary RX-7. Love these things. All right, well, we're on our way back home. The show was pretty cool. The sun behind me. All right, well, we made it home, so hope y'all y'all enjoyed that, and until next time, see you guys. Like and subscribe.